Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Arc Raiders game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, you can click on the search box. And now just type in Arc Raiders to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page, where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. You can then click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. Now you can use your Steam Wallet balance or one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Then just fill up the credentials of your chosen payment method, and after you complete the payment, the game will be added to your library. You can then complete the installation of the game in just a few clicks, and once that is done, you can start enjoying the Arc Raiders game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Arc Raiders on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.